Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Dre Food channel. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas Day celebrations yesterday. I did for sure. I went to see my family and I had amazing food. And today I'm going to show you how to make the best roast turkey for New Year. If not for New Year, you can make it for next year's Thanksgiving, next year's Christmas. So this is a great idea and it is my style. So this is how I usually roast my turkey. It is very simple, very tasty and very simple to follow. So if you are interested in knowing how I make my turkey, please stay tuned and I shall see you next time for another Mrs. Jury recipe. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on so that you don't miss any of my recipes. For this recipe you need a turkey. If you don't like turkey, please use chicken, and this is a 3 kilo 200 grams turkey. I'm also using one medium-sized onion, and the green one here is leeks, so I got a bit of leeks. This is not spring onion, please. I also have here one bowl of curly carrots. I just like these ones, they look so nice. I have here some fresh thyme, 4 garlic cloves, and 1 green pointed chili. I also have here about half chopped onion. And these are the neck, the tail, the heart, and the liver for those who like it. You also need some margarine or butter, and in this case I'm gonna use butter. I prefer it for turkey. For the seasoning, I have 1 tablespoon of everyday seasoning, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. I have here 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ground chili, and 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning. And you also need some foil. So in a pan, add about 5 tablespoons of butter or margarine and let it melt. Next, add in fresh thyme. If you have rosemary, please add some rosemary leaves. It is even better, but I didn't have it this time. And then add 1 pointed chili, which is also optional, and add 4 garlic cloves. Stir it and leave it on for about 4 to 5 minutes on a medium heat, and don't forget to stir it from time to time, and then leave it aside. For our turkey, in a large roasting pan, add in the leeks. So I'm repeating it, leeks are not spring onions. It looks like it, but it is not. It's bigger, much more bigger. And then add the curly carrots. Next, add in the chopped onion. So I've chopped it very finely in cubes. The next step is to place the turkey in the middle of the tray, just on top of the vegetable. Make sure you wash your turkey first and let it dry. Next, stuff the turkey with the thyme. Don't forget to add in the 4 garlic cloves, the pointed green chili, and also 1 chopped onion. But basically, the stuffing really depends on your personal preferences. Okay, so do as you please. And next, tie the 2 legs. I used the tie that came with my turkey, but if you don't have it, please use dental floss, and I guarantee you it also works. Next, add all the spices in the butter, and again you can use any spice you like, but if you want to follow my recipe, this is what I am using. and then stir it well. Next, we are going to baste our bird with this butter mixture. So use a kitchen brush or anything you have and cover it all over. And this is how it should look like. Don't hesitate to turn the turkey over to baste the back as well. Okay, and keep the remaining butter because we are going to use it throughout our cooking process. And here, this is for the the turkey lovers. You can also baste the neck, the liver, the heart, and the turkey tail. Ghanaians love turkey tail with the butter, and add some chopped onion and a bit of salt. Next, in an oven preheated at 165 degrees, place the turkey in the lowest rack. Then cover it loosely, very loosely, with some foil. This will help your turkey to be soft and not burn. Okay, and then let it cook for about 30 minutes to start with. Okay, so watch the time. And this is my turkey here about 30 minutes later, and I am going to baste it with more butter. So this is the butter here in the oven thing. Then cover it again loosely, okay, and put it back in the oven for about 1 hour. Okay, and this is our turkey here, and it has been in the oven for about 1 hour. I am removing the foil and I'm repeating the same action. I'm basting it with some butter. Don't forget that you also have some butter on your pan. You can also use that if you like. And then put it back in the oven, but this time without the foil. And let it cook for another 30 to 45 minutes depending on the size of your turkey. If it's a big one, you might need more time. And this is it. This is my turkey here. It is ready, and I am going to cut it for you to see how it looks like inside. And you can also decorate it with whatever you have. So here I have some potatoes, some carrots, and some leeks. And this is it, guys. This is my New Year's roast turkey recipe. I really hope you liked it and that you are going to try it. You can eat this with some pepper, you know, our traditional Ghanaian pepper sauce. It is very nice with turkey. And if you like the turkey gravy, you can also eat it with it. They sell it in the shop at a nice price. So, my dear friends, if you have no idea for New Year, this is it. This is your New Year's turkey, and this is my own recipe. If you have your recipe or if you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments section and I'll be very happy to read it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you again for your support. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'd like to give a shout out to Carolina Gardner and to all my YouTube viewers. Thank you so much. Happy Christmas. Much love, much happiness, a lot of money, a lot of everything. May all your wishes come true. Thank you and see you later. Bye.